This is a new series called Punzie's Projects. Hi guys, I'm Libby and welcome to Punzie's Palace, where I do all things Disney, hence the Punzie, and all things regarding my life and home, hence my palace. So if you haven't already, be sure to click subscribe down below so you can enjoy more Disney and lifestyle content. So it's November and I thought it would be really fun to do a new little mini series. So this series is called Punzie's Projects, and I am a huge craft person. For each Saturday of November, I would do a different kind of craft, all based around Disney stuff. But I will be doing some kind of Punzie project video each month, or at least I'll try to. Today, I am going to be doing some bullet journaling. So if you don't know what bullet journaling is, it's basically where you take any journal and you plan out your life however you want. A lot of people see a bunch of bullet journal inspiration on Instagram, on Pinterest, and it looks super neat and sometimes super elaborate, and people think, oh my gosh, I could never do that. That is not what it is, but it is actually very fun. It lets you design it the way you want to. So to bullet journal, you can use any kind of blank journal that you want. You can use one that doesn't have lines. You can use one that does have lines. I prefer the ones that have a dot grid. So the journal that I use to bullet journal right now is this one. It is from Zen Art Supplies. I just got it off of Amazon. It has this cute little L in it. The L doesn't actually stand for Libby, like you don't actually get it monogrammed, but it works that my name is also Libby. And then here are just a few of my layouts. I used to be doing weekly layouts, and as you can see, they were pretty intense, so much so that I did not keep up weekly layouts. But I did keep up a bullet journal for over a year while I was in school because it really helped me to keep track of all my assignments and keep track of homework I was doing, as well as keeping track of my sleeping habits and things like that. But I'm not in school anymore, so I thought I'd come up with a few things to track and to have fun with, and I went with more monthly or yearly layouts. So there are 5 layouts that I will be showing you in this video. And for each of these layouts, I did a rough sketch about how I wanted it to look and where I kind of wanted things to be. And I always do that in pencil first to kind of help me figure out how I want things to look. And there aren't really that many tools that you need to bullet journal. Obviously, there's millions of things that you can add to help you with bullet journaling, but the main things that I use that I think are very helpful to make it look really nice and neat no matter what is, of course, you'll need your bullet journal. I also find that's really helpful is a high polymer eraser. I also use an architectural ruler. I don't really measure things with this because I have the dot grid, but I used to measure with this, but it also helps me keep really nice straight lines. But the main thing I want to show you is this marker. You will need a really nice black marker. But I also like the Papermate Inkjoy gel pen, so I have this one in red. I also have a black one. But also, you can add a bunch of other things to help you bullet journal. So I have this whole thing full of a bunch of different colored pens, different colored like highlighters to help highlight things and make it look nicer. I have colored pencils. You can also have a bunch of washi tape. You can use stickers. There's so many things that you can add to bullet journaling. So these 5 bullet journal layouts, you are free to use them. I used a lot of Pinterest inspiration, but I also based some of the layout on how I want it to work for me. If that works for you, that's awesome. If you want to tweak it a little bit, that's awesome too. Feel free to use whatever I have in this video. So the first bullet journal layout is actually for the Magic Movie Club with Pauleen and Mary from Mouse and Mermaid and Jolly Holiday with Mary. I'm going to be on their channel this upcoming Tuesday, November 10th, talking on their show, The Magic Movie Club, where we are going to be reviewing Remember the Titans. This Magic Movie Club is so super awesome. It's basically we review Disney movies and talk about them, and it's a book club but for movies, and I absolutely love it. So I will show you kind of my idea for how I wanted that journal layout to look and how I made it and how it turned out to be. All in pencil right now and all very sketched out. So I'll have the title here. These are the different things that we rank. So the story, stars, score, scenery. Over on this page will be the movie title. We're doing Remember the Titans. The rating will be here. And here's the rating scale, as well as Imagineering. That's another category we talk about. And then here I left room for like some kind of drawing. So I'm thinking it's gonna be like a football, maybe a football helmet, and just different things like that. And then down here at the bottom, I'm gonna put a quote, big quote that I like from the movie. And sometimes whenever I feel like it, I might do like little things to put in the background and all the empty space. The second and third layouts are more just Disney general layouts that will be used for a very, very long time. So the first one is a Disney bucket list, and I actually didn't even fit all of my bucket list items on there. I'll probably be making a few other bucket lists, but the other layout was I wanted to do kind of a Disney savings tracker, and a lot of people save up a lot of money to go to Disney. I'm probably not going to be going to Disney anytime soon, but there is a really big Disney video project series that I have in my mind that I really want to do, but it costs a lot of money for me to do. So instead I thought, why not have a savings tracker to save up for that? And I will show you how I did that and how both of these layouts were kind of planned and how they were executed. So we have over here, we have a Disney bucket list. So this is the outline of a giant Mickey head, and I'm going to put all of my bucket list items in this. I will link the Pinterest inspiration down below because this is a very popular way of doing a bucket list, is like this. And here I'm gonna have a key as well as drawing a little Mickey and Minnie Mouse here because I just think that would be a cute little addition. Over here we have the giant castle. I had an outline of the castle that I used on my pin board. It was a bit too big for this page, so I didn't trace it and make it easier on myself. Instead, I had to just kind of freehand it. It'll be a little Tinkerbell kind of silhouette here with pixie dust going through it. The fourth layout is more of a general, just monthly layout. So for this month, I did Beauty and the Beast because I had a lot of Beauty and the Beast stickers and I thought it would go well with November. I just thought it looked really pretty and really cute. So I will show you how I planned all that out and how that was executed as well. So we'll have November here. So we'll have some roses around here. This will be the month. Just have it blocked out all the way down. And then here I'm gonna put a sticker, and then I have little base what I want to draw. So I'll have the wardrobe, Cogsworth, Lumiere, Chip, and Mrs. Potts all drawn very cutely down here. And then over here on the side is just like a tracker. I used to do a bunch of daily trackers. I found that I don't like doing daily trackers, so these are more like weekly. So up here we have a YouTube video just to make sure like, hey, did you do your Wednesday and Saturday one? And then here it'll be a little stats one. How many subs did you gain? How many watch hours did you gain? How many views did you gain? And just kind of see how that goes. That's just for fun. A sticker will go up here as well. Since it is craft month, every Saturday will be a new craft video. I have a bunch of different crafts to do, as well as Christmas is coming up, so I have another big bunch of crafts to do. And for the last bullet journal layout, I did a reading tracker. I love to read, but I'm a very slow reader, and I also just haven't found the will and the want to read lately, and I hate that I haven't found that, and I want to reignite that flame of wanting to read. So to help me do that, I thought I would make this reading tracker to track how many pages I read a day, and because I'm tracking it, I don't ever want it to hit 0. It already has a few times, but we're gonna work on that. I thought that tracking how I read every single day for each month would help me to read a little bit more. And also because I was doing Beauty and the Beast for my monthly tracker, I thought who better than to have Belle reading her books as the stickers to put around this little layout. And this one is very simple and very easy. Up here, it's a pages read tracker for the month, and it has all the days of November, as well as over here saying how many pages read. You can do this scale however you want. And then down here we'll have a books read section, so saying what books I'm currently reading, and then I'll put a rating underneath when I finish the book and color in their number. And then here will just be a little stats counter, pages read total, so total number of pages read from this. And I do on Goodreads have a yearly goal of how many books I want to read, so this will be how many books total that I would have read this year. And over here we're gonna do either a big sticker or a drawing or something, just to jazz it up a little bit more. Alright, and those are my bullet journal spreads. Please let me know if you like bullet journaling, if you've ever had an interest in doing it, and if you haven't done it already and you want to, please try it out because it's super duper fun and I really enjoy it. It's a great creative outlet for me. Please comment down below any bullet journal layouts that you want me to do or that you want to see on this channel, and I will try to do those in the upcoming months. I will try to be doing a bullet journal video like this every month because I really enjoy it and it'll kind of keep me on top of things. So that is it for the first Punzie's project video, but please stay tuned for every Saturday of November to see what else I have, and also hit the bell icon because I post twice a week, not just once on Saturdays, but twice. So if you hit the bell icon, you'll know every time that I upload. Give this video a thumbs up if you like bullet journaling, or if you like crafty things, or if you just enjoyed any of my layouts that I had today. And until next time, guys, farewell.